Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about IB Settlement Interim Report. International Business Settlement Holdings Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various sectors. These include property development, commercial and residential properties, car parking spaces, hotel business, hotel development, management and operation, computer equipment business, trading and leasing of servers with ancillary services, financing business, money lending and factoring services. The company's comprehensive portfolio caters to different needs, from real estate and hospitality to technology and financial solutions. The skyrocketing stock price of IB Settlement, a confluence of positive factors over the past year. The stock price of Interactive Brokers Group, NASDAQ, IBKR, has surged by an impressive 130.86%. This remarkable increase can be attributed to a combination of strong financial performance, favorable market conditions, and strategic developments. The company's robust earnings growth, exceeding revenue and earnings forecasts, has been a key driver of its stock price surge. In addition, the inclusion in the S&P 500 index, a 4-for-1 stock split, and the transition to a T+1 settlement cycle have all contributed to the company's success. The bull market and increased investor activity have also played a significant role in Interactive Brokers' growth, with rising daily average revenue trades, higher client margin balances, and an increase in new client accounts. Analysts' positive outlook, with a strong buy consensus and projected 12-month stock price target, further reflects the company's continued growth trajectory. As a result of these factors, Interactive Brokers has experienced a remarkable rally, driven by its strong financial performance and strategic developments. The company's stock price is expected to continue growing, with projections reaching $4.6 billion in operating earnings for 2025. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be identified through a review of key financial indicators. On the growth side, sales of properties and provision of property management services have been significant contributors, with increases of $10.9 million and $26.9 million respectively. Additionally, cryptocurrency-related business has seen a notable increase of $653,000, while computer development business revenue has grown from $0 to $26,882. Furthermore, PRC domicile, revenue and revenue from external customers have also increased by $143,257 HK, 0 and $38,396 HK, 0 respectively. On the decline side, trading of computer equipment has seen a significant decrease of $31.1 million, while leasing computer equipment business has been impacted by the prolonged decline in Falcon price. Hong Kong revenue has also decreased from 2024 to 2025, although the exact figure is not specified. These indicators suggest that revenue growth is driven primarily by non-computer-related businesses and geographic expansion, while revenue decline is largely attributed to the computer equipment trading and leasing business. Net income and profit margins. A decline in performance. The financial performance of the company has taken a downturn, as evident from the decrease in net income. The loss increased significantly from HK $65,429 in 2024 to HK $112,268 in 2025. This decline can be attributed to a substantial drop in gross profit margin, which decreased from 12.89% in 2024 to 7.98% in 2025. As a result, the company's profitability has suffered, leading to an increase in losses. The company's financial performance indicates a lack of positive operating cash flow. According to the financial summary, the combination of losses and expenses, such as depreciation and contractual obligations, has resulted in significant negative cash outflows. This suggests that the company is currently struggling to generate sufficient revenue to cover its operational costs, resulting in a net loss rather than a profit. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes. Initially, the total borrowings decreased by HK $1,479 from HK $531,038 to HK $529,559, as reported on page 20. However, this trend was reversed on page 38, where it is stated that total borrowings increased from HK $583,904,000 to HK $613,323,000. In terms of interest expenses, there has been a notable decrease in both categories. Interest on borrowings decreased from $28,043 to $27,992, and interest on lease liabilities significantly decreased from $310 to $115. These changes indicate that the company's financial situation is dynamic and subject to fluctuations over time. The company's financial performance was mixed across various segments and regions. The computer segment, property development business, hotel business, property equipment management business, and cryptocurrency-related business all underperformed. In terms of geography, Hong Kong and Liuzhou also struggled. However, the PRC domicile region stood out as a bright spot, delivering strong results. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook in fintech, particularly with regards to cryptocurrencies. They plan to continue monitoring regulatory changes and technological advancements while exploring new opportunities. Additionally, they intend to utilize net proceeds from new shares issuance for general working capital and potential investments in cryptocurrency and Web3. That concludes the financial summary for IB settlement. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.